Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9 SE and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, we have to go to the right corner now, to this button that gives us access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side and pick this settings button to open the advanced camera settings. From here we have to slide a little bit down to the general settings category, and at the third position here we have shooter sound, so by using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera and take another picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned off. And of course we can turn it on once again by going to the right corner, then to the left settings, sliding down to the general category and tapping on this button. So now we can hear the sound again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.